Hey guys, and welcome back to a quick afternoon clean with me. If you're in need of a bit of inspiration or motivation to get stuff done if you have an afternoon to spare. So this afternoon I firstly wanted to sort out a load of washing to be going while I caught up on some other chores. Now all of our dirty washing is stored in a central wash basket in the bathroom. Then when that gets full, I divide it into the two marble wash baskets that I got from Primark. One has all darks in and the other is all for the colours, and I find this way it just makes it easier to pull out when I've got a load to do. Next, I wanted to finish up the rest of the ironing. Now, I've said this before, but I do have to be in the mood to do the ironing. Thumbs up if you can definitely relate to me. It's not my favourite chore, but what helps me to get motivated is either watching someone else's Clean With Me video on YouTube or one of my favourite shows on Netflix. At the moment, Ben and I have just started the new series of Orange is the New Black. We absolutely love that show, and it's the 6th series already, I think. And then the other thing I like to do, which I'm actually doing today, is listening to one of my favourite podcasts. And at the moment, I'm listening to At Home With, which is by Lily Pebbles and the Anna Edit. And I'm listening to the episode with Patricia Bright. It's really interesting. I'll link that down below if you want to go and check that out. Just lately, I've been hanging all my washing outside as it's been drying so quickly because of all this beautiful, nice weather that we've been having. So I decided it was about time that I pick myself up some new pegs and this cute little peg bin that are both from Poundland. I'd actually seen this bin at the start of spring and I'd shared it with you in my spring clean come shop with me that I'll link down below. And I really like this peg bin and also the colour of the pegs, but specifically the peg bin because it's a really nice, sturdy and robust bin. Now, because I've been able to get so much washing done, I've also had so many piles of clean clothes to hang up, and I've actually honestly run out of space as Ben and I have never had so many clean clothes at one time. But by moving a few things around and organising how we store our clothes, I've managed to free up some space to keep up with my mass of clean clothes each week. Next, I decided it was time to change up the bed covers. I typically change the bed every 2 weeks, and I think you'll agree that nothing feels better than climbing into a freshly made bed at the end of the day. This grey duvet set that I'm putting on is from Primark a few years ago. I just love this set because of the beautiful faint stripe pattern running through the duvet cover and pillows, and also I really like the colour as well, and it's actually not bad quality too for the price of it. It's washed up well ever since we got it. Finally, I wanted to sort and organise some paperwork that had piled up, but first I wanted to pick up a few more folders for things, and I found these beautiful ones in Poundland that come in the 2 sizes. They also do both of these folders in the 2 sizes in an ombre rainbow pattern too. The smaller set contains 4 wallets and the larger set houses 2, but I thought they were beautiful considering they were only £1, and they also match with my other folders that are from Sainsbury's. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it motivating to help you get on with some cleaning if you have a spare afternoon. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you next week for a new video. Have a wonderful start to the week or whatever you're doing, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take care. Bye.